Hello children, welcome to your maths class. So children, as you all remember that we had done the topic measurement and you all learned how to measure inches with the help of your ruler. Today children, we are going to learn how to measure centimeters with the help of a ruler. So first thing children, how do we denote centimeter? With cm mark. See, I have written cm. So with the help of this thing, you are going to denote centimeters. For example, if I have to write down 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So I am going to write it like 7 cm, 8 cm, 5 cm. So this is how we are going to denote centimeters. So this is your ruler. You all know that the top part denotes your centimeter and the bottom part denotes your inches. So we have already learned inches in the previous class. Today we are going to learn about centimeter. So how are we going to measure centimeter with the help of how we are going to draw a line for centimeter. So that's what I am going to show you with the help of this video. Okay. So first of all, it is denoted by cm. That is the mark how we denote centimeter. Remember that thing. Now I am going to show you how are we going to make or draw centimeters with the help of your ruler. So you have this ruler at your place and you will always start from the 0 centimeter. See, centimeter cm is also written over here. So you are going to start from this particular mark. Okay. So just imagine children, if I have to draw 3 centimeters. So how am I going to draw? You are going to put your scale straight. You will put the scale straight. Okay. And put it straight, not like this, not like this, not like this. Okay. Just straight. Put your scale straight. Okay. And as you all know, we start from the 0 mark and we are going to move it till 3. As simple as that. We are going to start from the 0 mark and put it 3 till 3. And then you will put these dots like this. And then you are going to label it 3 centimeter. Okay. So you are going to label it 3 centimeter. Now let's draw 7 centimeter children. So again same thing. You are going to place your ruler like this. Okay. So you see your ruler is over here. And where is 7 centimeter? 7 centimeter is over here. See the 7 mark over here. This is the 7 mark. So that means I need to draw my line from here till this 7 mark. Okay. Centimeter is very easy. So you will start drawing it from 0 and you will place it till 7. Where is 7? 7 is over here. So we are going to draw the straight line from 0 till 7. And it's done. As simple as that. Then put these small dots over here and label it as 7 centimeter. This labeling and putting of these two dots is very important. Okay. So now I'll draw 5 centimeter. Again I am going to solve one example for you people. So again you are going to place the notebook straight. Your scale would be straight like this. Where is the 5 centimeter mark? It is over here. Very simple. Again you are going to start your line from the 0 mark. Okay, remember that you have to start it from the 0 mark and you will bring it till where? 5. Then put these small dots and write down 5 centimeter. Labeling is also important. So I hope this is clear children. This is the ruler. Centimeter mark is above and inches mark is at the bottom. So you will, when you have to draw 7 centimeters, you will place your scale over here and till 7 you are going to draw the line straight. Okay. Straight you will draw. Put the small dots over here and label it. So centimeter is over here. This is the centimeter scale that you have at the top part. So you have to, if you have to draw 15 centimeters, so that is the whole scale. 15 is at the last. See, 15 is at the last. 0 is the first point and you will always start from this point only. 1 centimeter will be till 1, 2 centimeter till 2, 3 centimeter till 3, till 4, then 5 and so on. The marks are given to you and you can easily draw it. So that's all for today children. That is the only topic that I need to tell you. Thank you class.